Then the second question is a rephrase of Patrick's earlier question. What do you think are most sort of entrepreneurs and VCs are getting wrong about the future of AI?
Another great question. I think there are two fundamental strategies to build like an AI startup right now. You either bet that we're near the top of the technology is about as good as it's going to be, or you bet that the technology is going to get massively better. So if you are building, say, like an AI tutor company, to stick on an earlier example, you can build a system where as the base model gets smarter, very naturally, the level at which students can effectively learn just goes up and up. So, maybe it's like only effective for like 6th graders with the current version, but the next version it's like helpful for 8th graders and then 10th graders and then eventually PhD students. And you can just like get to surf that wave. Or you can say, I'm going to put all my effort into just barely making this work for 8th graders in the limited case of history and do a huge amount of work to like have a human in the loop and correct factual errors for this one class. In the first world, you'll be really happy when GPT-5 comes out, and in the second world, you'll be really sad. My intuition would have been that 95% of entrepreneurs would have picked the first world. It seems like 95% of entrepreneurs are picking the second world. And then you have this whole like OpenAI killed my startup meme. But we try to say very loudly, like, we get up every morning trying to make the model much better. And if you're doing like a little thing to get it to barely work in one specific case, that's probably a mistake.